Hello everybody, my name is Mike Couture and this is my fourth video titled Sorted List. Now let's look at the definition and what a sorted list is. What is a sorted list? A sorted list is a list that is sorted by the value in the key, a semantic relationship which exists among the keys of the items in the list. Why are sorted lists useful? If the item that you have sorted is already organized, then it would only mean that it would be quicker to find an item in that list. Sorted lists provide the following operations. Get, and it's used to access the object at a given position in the sorted list, and find position, which is used to find the position of an object in a sorted list. Now, there are benefits in a sorted list, and it's quicker to find an item, but at the same time it takes longer to add an item and to delete an item when implementing with an array specifically. Now let's look at a real-world example of a sorted list. Example 1. A great example of a sorted list will be a group of kids getting in a single file line according to their height. The height of each child will be represented as the sorted list key, and we'll get to what a key is later on. Moving on to our coding example. In this example, we have this code, and what it does is it examines the element in the middle of the array. And the code is then asking us, is this the item that we're looking for? If so, we stop searching. Is the middle element too small? Then we start looking in the second half of the array. Is the middle element too large? If it is, then we begin looking in the first half of the array. We repeat the process in the half of the list that should be examined next. Then we stop when the item is found, or when there is nowhere else to look. Moving on to the next example. Now looking at the bigger scheme of things and sorted lists. Sorted lists are very, very important, especially in the professional world. It organizes things that you need, and especially if you're looking for things that are important, you try to organize them. Now moving on to additional vocab. Now what I said earlier about a key. A key is a member of a record, struct, or class whose value is used to determine the logical and/or physical order of the item in a list. So basically what a key is it's the main attribute of what the list is made of. And that ends our session on sorted lists.